guys. Hello crafty friends and welcome back to my channel. This is Joanna Crafts You, and on this episode of Let's Chat Crafts I am going to be unboxing an order that I placed for Cricut. So this order I placed because there was going to be a Cricut Cutie inside. I'm going to be really honest with you guys. I'm a sucker for these little cuties. People think they're stupid. That's fine. More for me. I think they're adorable. My son thinks they're adorable. And I only have these two like really girly colors. So when I found out that I had an opportunity to place an order and get a more boy colored cutie, I was really excited. And my son actually saw the photo that Holly posted in Cricut Craft Life and he was like, "Blue Cricut!" So I'm really excited to get into this and show him his new blue Cricut when he wakes up from nap. So let's see what we got here. So I'm having a girl next month. I don't know when this video will be posted, but in February. So I thought it would be fun to get some cute little papers with some girly things on them. So you guys, all of this, 4 different packages of cardstock. I used my discount that I get through Holli Mastella, and I used the discount that I get for being an Access member. And I got all of this plus my cutie for under $42. It was 41 something. I can't remember the change, but oh my god. You guys, he's gonna join his family of cuties over here. And I keep touching their ears because my husband broke one of them. I can't believe it was my husband and not my toddler. He pulled one of the ears out. Yeah, it's this pink one. Been meaning to glue him, but now I have 2 girly cuties and a little boy cutie. Wow. I'm really excited about them. Yay!